I have to do this video real quick. I'm using the actual phone app of, where is it at? Of Leonardo Ai. So it's right next to the Photos app right here in Creativity. But yeah, let's get into it. So yesterday, this is what we had did on that 45-minute video. You heard me correctly. 45 minutes. Take out the public image. Now I like using Leonardo AI on the phone. How many images is on here? Keep the seed at random. Number of images. Okay, we keep it at 4. So I'm gonna still keep everything, but I'm not gonna use the steampunk color palette. We're gonna switch it to cybernetic, and then take this off. Let's put fallen angels. I was gonna put something else, but I'm not about to do that right now. Actually, change this right here. What type of light do I want to do? How about studio? Studio light. I'm doing something real simple. Show you guys how you can have fun doing this. You want to use anime pastel? You know what? Yeah, let's keep it on anime pastel and let's make it more of a environment. But here's the dope part. They got the elements on the app for iOS. So for this one, we're gonna go with the crystallize. And you can also add 4 on here as well. So if I decide to do this, then bam. But I'm not gonna use ebony and gold. I'm not gonna use gingerbread. I'm gonna use gingerbread for something else. Let's go use Celtic Punk, but let's actually, you know what? Take out crystallize, and I'm gonna go with ivory and gold and inferno. Ooh. Okay, let's do it with these two first. And then, oh yeah. Can't forget this. For abating fire and smoke, its element is an infernal. I don't know why the hell I can't read this right now. It's an infernal element model. Oh, you know what? Part of the reason being because I was moving this around, the slider, and I was paying attention. We'll keep the weight at that right there. Let's hit generate. Let's see what we get. Before I finish studying up intro to AI on Codecademy, which they do have free courses and free code.org. No, free code camp. Freecodecamp.org. It's another one you guys can learn how to do coding. Ooh. These are dope. Hold on, wait a minute. This time we can do the zoom in. Yeah, this is gonna be deleted. The wings is dope though. Actually, if I do keep it for GoDSP for the reference of the coloration, this is Inferno. And also the ivory and gold that we had hit. So this is the color response of it. And you can see the Inferno part in the background. You see the ivory and gold on her outfit and also in the background as well too. Yeah, the negative prompts to the dude was should have done, which is not they faces look deformed. I mean, there are fallen angels, but still though, Khalees got it to look decent. Ooh, I didn't see that she had an extra pair of arm right there. One on the top and one on the bottom. Makes it she has 3. Interesting. Because the only one that came out pretty good was this one. Just from the facial expression and everything else. Like, Everything else, like the backgrounds and stuff, is cool, but you know. All right, so let's go back. Let's take out. Oh, you know what? And also because of the weight, because we changed the weight around as well too. But still, even with having the negative prompt, it should actually work better. You know what? I'm gonna try something different. The negative prompt. I wonder if you put it in parentheses, would that actually make a bigger difference? And then put it in brackets. Cause you guys see the ones that's highlighted in purple, right? Those ones that show the whole highlight, and yeah, we'll see. We'll see. All right. Let's change out Inferno. Let's go back to the environments. Oop, not environment. Let's go back to the remove this element and remove this one. Go back to the add elements. We're gonna do Celtic Punk. I have a feeling somebody probably asking about that. Let's go with Celtic Punk and go with Lunar Punk and see what we get from that. Change the weight. Celtic go to 0.50. Lunar, we could put it down at 0.10. Same thing right here. Set generate. Let's see if the negative thing changes some stuff around. And what do we get? Still generating. Probably gonna be some dope image. Oh, okay. This is heck of interesting. So remember, we use the Celtic Punk and Lunar Punk. I see more of the lunarness, lunarness, if that is a word, that comes out from this. And I think this is the wings from the back of it. That's actually pretty dope. And also because of the weight as well too. So this actually goes hard. It's actually pretty dope. Let me see the face. Actually, I like the contrast how her eye is. This is actually pretty dope. Pretty dope. Oh, she got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5 fingers. But like I said, it's a fallen angel, so ain't really perfect. And the last one, I'm trying to see where the Celtic colors will be blended at. Probably with the beige and a little bit the white, because it's more lunar. Or the Celtic part might actually be part of the background. Like you got the lunar punk right there, and then you got the Celtic part right there at the top. Very interesting. That's just a little quick video of using the different elements, or as they call them, lauras. We went over that with yesterday's video, which you guys find here on his Instagram page as well, YouTube page. On Instagram, search for that 15-minute video on Instagram. No. Instagram, search for the 15-minute video. Yeah, and YouTube, search for the 45-minute tutorial. I don't know why I just said it like that, but for a 45-minute tutorial that actually shows how to use the elements and what they do, how they blend with different models, which is these right here, and everything else. Okay, you know what? Because you guys know I like being nice. So let me go ahead and give you guys one more. And I'm going to do it with my favorite, do a photo roll. I'm going to keep the Celtic, keep the lunar, and we're going to actually add one more. Let's add crystallize. Actually, you know what? We'll add two more. Crystallize Inferno. I just gotta change the crystal. We'll keep that at 0.50. Actually, we'll raise it to 0.80. Inferno. So if I make it high, you already know it's gonna have them little weird looking what you call it? Oh, you know, let's actually make this real negative. So there we go. Keep the other ones as they are. Keep that one negative. As I always do, keep on cinematic. I like use the raw mode for this for photoreal. I like use the cinematic, but you know what? Let's change cinematic and let's actually go with creative. Because for photoreals, you have four different options. You got cinematic, creative, vibrant, and none. Cinematic literally does what it says, cinematic. Creates images as cinematic. Vibrant makes it a whole lot much more poppy with cayenne, yellow, magenta type colors. And then creative does some different things. And none means it just generates whatever comes up. So the colors are as poppy as much depending on what it is that you're doing. It's for anime pastel, which I like using. And I like using the photoreal a lot in most of my material. And also stay tuned. My main website, I'm going to actually have an art gallery on there. Other stuff that we're working on. And that's well linked to my profile for Leonardo. Ooh. Let me see. Yeah, with the faces, sometimes the photoreal. Well, if it's like a close-up shot, when I mean close-up, I mean like actual close-up, you get some pretty good images. If it's kind of like far off, then I could tell this is very Celtic-ish, along with the lunar. Oh yeah, not bad for the facial expressions and things. And part of the reason why I'm saying that is because this gave it one hell of a good image for the dynamics. It's actually something I'm looking for. Yeah, you see what I mean? Sometimes it could be hit or a miss. Like the facial expression on that. Something like this, folks would be like, cool, but for some else artists, the imperfection part is like, yeah. Background and stuff is dope because it changed the color scheme up. That's what I mean by the magenta, a little bit dark, a little bit golden yellowish, turquoise with this cayenne. Created blends a whole lot of those colors together. These two images I would keep. Or actually trash them, unfortunately. This one is 50-50, but this one right here especially I would. And actually I'm going to go ahead and do that. This could be the background for this video. So I'll keep it like that and go ahead and save it to the phone and whatnot. So put the save image and I'll play around with that. All right, thank you guys for tuning out to the video. Catch you guys soon. Peace out.